India's first COVID-19 vaccine candidate Covaxin approved for human trials. Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech on Monday said its COVID-19 vaccine candidate Covaxin has received approval from the Drugs Controller General of India to conduct Phase 1 and 2 human trials. This makes it India's first vaccine candidate to receive approval for human trials. The vaccine is developed in collaboration with the ICMR and the National Institute of Virology. Man hits hospital employee with a stone in Pune, arrested, says police. A man who created a ruckus at a hospital in Pune district was arrested after hitting a hospital employee with a stone and injuring him, the police said on Monday. The accused arrived at a hospital and abused his wife for giving birth to a baby girl, they added. The accused was in inebriated state, the police further said. 6 lakh people across Karnataka tested for COVID-19, says official. Karnataka's Minister for Medical Education, K. Sudhakar, on Monday, during the inauguration of COVID-19 testing center, said that close to 1% population of the state, that is 6 lakh, has undergone COVID-19 test against the population of 6 crore. He added that tests are being conducted on priority, which has helped the state in handling the situation. Maharashtra man succumbs to COVID-19. Wife dies of it 4 days later. In Maharashtra, 43-year-old Shabana Banu died on June 26, 4 days after her husband Usman Badshah Sheikh's death in Kalsekar Hospital due to coronavirus. The couple had suffered from low oxygen saturation levels. Their family claims that when they refused to take away Shabana's body, suspecting medical negligence, the hospital offered them 5,000. TikTok issues statement after ban, says government invited firm to submit response. TikTok has issued a statement saying it's not sharing data of Indian users with the Chinese government after the government banned the app. We have been invited to meet with concerned government stakeholders for an opportunity to respond and submit clarifications, TikTok India head Nikhil Gandhi said. He said the government had issued an interim order to ban the app. Lorry driver dies as the vehicle catches fire after a collision in Anantapur. In a horrific incident, 2 lorries carrying rice, scrap and coal collided with each other near Kadapa Road, and this led to a loss of life of a driver who was from UP. 2 others have been injured and the driver died on the spot. The police had to work for hours to get down the fire. Medical shops in Hyderabad to remain shut after 7 p.m. Most of the medical shop owners have been tested positive for COVID-19, and this may contract the spread of the virus. In accordance to this, the Hyderabad District Chemists and Druggists Association has decided to close the store from 7 p.m. every day. Yet another gas leak tragedy in Visakhapatnam factory. 2 people were killed and 4 others were injured when a poisonous gas was leaked in the city of Visakhapatnam. The injured people's condition is said to be critical. Former Minister Nara Lokesh and Chandrababu Naidu have expressed shock over the incident.